I'm Greg Gifford, Vice President of Search Lab, local SEO nerd, and Semrush Academy professor. In this show, I'll share some tips on search engine optimization. Today's topic, how to keep your backlink profile healthy and natural. Watch the video through to the end. I'll be sharing some ideas about why you should look at your competitors' backlink reports. Imagine that the internet was physically real, where all the websites are living creatures that roam freely in the online world. This simple creature with antenna is a website. But in this world, every creature, however simple it appears at first sight, is piloted by a wise and forward-looking SEO specialist. Here's our brand, surrounded by a cloud of millions of backlinks. Some of those links are hostile. They're regarded by the Google Penguin algorithm as toxic. If there are too many of them, our brand's profile will be deemed unhealthy, which could pose a threat to our very existence online. You can protect your brand by ensuring that your backlink profile looks healthy and natural. You do this by disavowing unwanted backlinks and keeping track of your link profile on a regular basis. Look, let's set up the Backlink Audit campaign for a sample website. We'll choose what part of the website to analyze, up to 10 relevant brand names, associated categories, and target countries. Toxic score is determined by over 50 different toxic markers. Here's how you see specifically which toxic markers are associated with the link you're analyzing. First, we'll try to get rid of toxic backlinks by sending removal request emails to the owners of all the referring sites. It just takes a few clicks in the remove section. With Backlink Audit, it's easy. Not everyone will respond, so we'll need to disavow all the backlinks that negatively affect our website that we could not get removed. Make sure you review your links manually before getting rid of them. We'll continue after a short break. Today's myth: there's no such thing as a Google link penalty. Nope, not true. A Google employee can manually review any link pointing to your website and give you a penalty. Low-quality links that exist only for SEO purposes are most likely devalued by Penguin. But if there are enough of them and we don't disavow them, that could lead to a penalty if we get a manual review by the web spam team. Automated link generating processes may keep on running. Spammy links may keep appearing. It's best to disavow these links monthly or quarterly. If a site is being hit with a negative SEO attack, Google should be able to figure out that the spam links pointed at the site should be ignored. However, the algorithm can potentially make mistakes, so it's better to disavow all those pharma and porn links when they show up. Pay close attention to links with keyword-rich anchor text. If you overuse them, it could alert the web spam team, and at a certain point, they'll regard it as a manipulation attempt. We'll continue after a short break. Today's myth number 2. If you're not doing anything forbidden, your backlinks are natural and clean. Nope, this is not true. Toxic backlinks can appear from spam bots. Send harmful links to the Disavow tab. Export the list to a text file and upload it to the Google Disavow tool. Then confirm it within the tool. Your overall toxic score will be recalculated. Regularly monitor and analyze your backlink profile. The timely cleanup of unwanted links will help prevent any possibility of a manual unnatural link penalty being assigned by the web spam team. My advice for beginners: it's important to follow positive examples and tactics from more successful competitors. Focus on their backlink profile and see what they've done. Here's a real example. A legal services portal uses Backlink Audit to evaluate its own link profile, then launches Backlink Audit projects on its direct competitors with better organic visibility to understand their backlink strategy and structure. Namely, which resources link to them, which pages, in which context, which anchor text they use and in what volume, and what distribution of anchor types they have. They can also track all the latest changes that have occurred to their competitors' profiles. So, now you know how important it is to take care of your backlink profile. Keep it clean and natural so you can increase your site's online visibility. That's all for today. I'm Greg Gifford, and we'll see you next time. Stay tuned.